Hey friends, Tux here. I've gotten some questions about how do I clean my Corvette, so I just wanted to throw it out there that I use Chemical Guys a lot, but this is another brand I use, is Meguiar's, and this seems to do really well for me. In fact, lately I've been using the car wash, this gold car wash right here, more than any other brand, and I haven't been using it for a video, and this is not sponsored. Just people ask, hey Tux, what do you use on your car? And their products I do like a lot. I will have a link for this right below, so be sure and click that link to get yours at the very best price. But this is a really good kit. Basically, it comes with one liquid wax and an applicator, so it's pretty simple stuff. In fact, let's open this up. The box got kind of beat up here in shipping, but the product inside is fine. Basically, you get the one thing of liquid wax. And some people talk about, using the can of wax over the liquid. And personally, for me, they both have a good place in car care, but I do tend to use this type. It's a little easier on, easier off, and sometimes I will use my Chemical Guys buffer too, which there's videos back on my queue on that if you want to check it out, if you have an area which is really getting oxidized or something. Okay, so we're outside. I got my wax, I got my sponge. We're gonna go ahead and just do a little application. This isn't really like a full-on test or anything, but I just wanted to show you, just to give you an idea. You don't want to put too much stuff on. Usually I'll use like little chocolate chip sized drops, and there's probably like a little seal on the inside here. Yeah, so you can see this is a brand new bottle. We'll pull that off. There we go. Oop, don't want to lose the wax. There we go. Okay, we'll just put this down here again, screw it on again, and try and make sure it's airtight when you're done with it too. It makes it last longer. So we want like little chocolate chip sized drops, and you can use a generous amount. Just keep in mind, too much wax will just be more work for you and could actually lead to residue. That's about what I like to do, okay? And we're gonna go ahead and wax this on. So let me go over to the car here. We'll just do like one little side of this. We'll do this side over here and not do that side there. So here we go, guys. You want to rub it in pretty good. Make sure the car can really soak it up. No, my cat's trying to jump in the car. Not good. I do have 2 scratch marks on this Corvette for my cat trying to jump up. Not realizing how slippery this car is. Okay, so you can see over on this side here, we got it hazed up pretty good for you. I've reviewed this before in the past. This is Chemical Guys microfiber cloth, and it does a really good job. And a bag of these doesn't run a whole lot, and they last you a good long time. You can always reuse them too. So here we go, guys. Let's go ahead and rub off the wax now. You can see the car was pretty clean. It probably didn't need waxing, to be honest. I'm just doing this for the video. Now let's go ahead and pull the camera in here. And I don't know if the camera's going to catch this. It really is looking pretty good, but you kind of see the line kind of right here. You kind of see where the wax ends. Let me get the finger here. Kind of like right here is where the wax ends. And I don't know if the camera's gonna catch that. It's so shiny out here right now. It's tough. You kind of see a little bit of it though, but all in all, it's good stuff, guys. I would recommend it for sure. And I think when you do it for yourself in real life, you'll definitely be able to see it on camera, especially if you haven't waxed for a while. Now, if you waxed just recently, you may not notice it right away, but it's still a good thing to protect your hood and your whole car. The reason why I like this brand is, first off, for the bang for the buck factor, you're getting a really amazing shine. It's a deep, rich shine and reflection for the price. It's long lasting, even though some waxes will kind of fade out after like one rainfall. This will keep going for a while, actually. So if you're someone who works, does a daily driver in a sports car, and you want to keep it looking nice, this is a great way to keep it looking nice and still keep your sanity without too much maintenance, although it does require regular washings. Like any sports car, you want to keep it nice and clean, obviously, And then third, and probably most important, is the fact that it's safe for the paint. You don't want to destroy your paint with some kind of crazy, compound or whatever that might make it look shiny for one day and then all of a sudden destroy the clear coat or something or the paint the next day. This has been, a long-running brand. It's a great job. They're trusted on, all sorts of levels of cars, from like little Hondas to super expensive cars. People trust this brand. So I think that it's something which I trust with my car. All right. All right, guys, that's all I got for you. I just wanted to throw it out there. People ask what do I use. This is what I've been using along with their car wash, which is that right there. Okay. Maybe I'll put a picture on Instagram or something of my half-used bottle, because it's something that I didn't get for a video. I just got because I use this stuff all the time, and I figured I got a brand new box in the mail today, so I thought I'd go ahead and show you what I use. Okay. All right, friends. Thanks for watching. We'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye. Click the link.